Take a good look at the future of medical technology. This is a 12 weeks old human fetus. A pediatrician is giving the unborn baby a thorough, almost physical examination from every angle. Almost physical because what we are looking at in real time is a 3D image of the embryo, which is still safely encased in its mother's womb. And this is a fully grown, live and beating child's heart. These hyper-accurate holograms were produced during clinical trials conducted at Schneider Children's Medical Center in Petach Tikva and presented recently at the Cardiovascular Research Foundation Symposium in San Francisco.
זמן אמיתי, לב פועם. ועכשיו אני יכול לעשות את הצנתור ולראות את הקתטרים שלי זזים בתלת מימד. אני יכול להסתכל מסביב, אני יכול לחתוך את הלב, אני יכול להבין בצורה אינטואיטיבית מה אני עושה בתוך הלב של הבן אדם שאני מטפל בו, כאילו שהלב היה פועם פה בידיים שלי.
The system operates by using data analysis produced by various X-rays, MRI or ultrasound scans to create holograms in space, allowing the user to see a three-dimensional composition and interact with it, something that can't be done on a flat computer screen.
בניגוד להדמיה הדלת-ממדית שהיום ניתנת לצפייה על פני מסכים דו-ממדיים, כמו שאתם רואים פה מאחוריי, ההולוגרמה מאפשרת לנו להסתכל במרחב, כאילו מונח לפנינו לב שצף, מסתובב, אנחנו יכולים לחתוך את הלב ולהסתכל לתוכו.
You can go into a specific valve that you're treating right now and you can look at this valve and everything is real time, everything is dynamic, everything is digital, so you can look at that valve, you can take an actual device and put it inside the valve and measure and see if it fits, so you can do things that are only you're only capable of doing with a true hologram.
The founders of RealView, Shaul Gelman, who is company president and head of research and development, and CEO Aviad Kaufman, both held senior positions in Israel's defense industries before establishing this venture. And while both firmly refrained from elaborating on their past successes, they agreed that the current breakthrough was no coincidence.
I think there is a very unique group of people here that came from multidisciplinary development companies, such as defense companies and also medical companies that are taking many disciplines from computational aspects, hardware, software, mechanics, optics, electro-optics, man-machine interface, and combine them all into one integrated solution.
Using the same technology platform, the company is developing several product configurations that will eventually be applied to a whole spectrum of medical procedures, including the facilitation of remote operations or 3D modeling of body parts.
This type of technology will eventually go to many places. It will go to obstetrics, to pre-planning of surgical procedures, it will go to biopsy, it will go to many places that people are working inside the body and want to visualize inside the body, but don't want to open the body.
Three-dimensional medical holograms, no longer science fiction.